Welcome to the world of Kubernetes. If you've ever wondered how massive applications run smoothly across thousands of servers, or how tech giants like Google manage their systems, you're in the right place. Today, we are diving into Kubernetes, what it is, why it matters, and how it works. Let's get started. First, let's set the stage. Imagine you're shipping goods across the world. You wouldn't just throw items into the ocean, you'd pack them into containers, stack them neatly on a ship, and let the captain handle the rest. In the tech world, Kubernetes does something similar, but for software. It's an open-source platform that manages containers, lightweight packages of code, and everything they need to run. Containers are great because they are portable and consistent. But here's the catch. When you have dozens, hundreds, or even thousands of containers running an app, things get messy fast. That's where Kubernetes, or K8, as the cool kids call it, comes in. The name, by the way, comes from the Greek word for helmsman, the one steering the ship. Fitting, right? So, what does Kubernetes actually do? Think of it as the ultimate orchestra conductor for your containers. It automates tasks like deploying apps, scaling them up or down based on demand, and keeping everything running smoothly. If a container crashes, Kubernetes restarts it. If traffic spikes, it adds more containers. It's like having a super smart assistant that never sleeps. Let's break it down with a real-world example. Say you're running an online store. On a normal day, a few containers handle your traffic. But then, bam, a big sale hits, and millions of shoppers flood your site. Without Kubernetes, you'd be scrambling to add servers manually. With Kubernetes, it detects the surge, spins up more containers automatically, and balances the load. When the rush dies down, it scales back. Efficiency at its finest. Now, how does it work under the hood? Kubernetes uses a few key concepts. First, there's the cluster, a group of machines working together. These machines are called nodes. Some nodes run your containers, while others manage the system. Containers live inside pods, the smallest unit Kubernetes manages. A pod might hold one container or a few that need to work together, like a web server and its helper. The magic happens with the Kubernetes control plane. It's the brain of the operation, constantly checking the cluster's status and making adjustments. Want 10 copies of your app running? Tell Kubernetes, and it'll deploy them across your nodes. If a node fails, it moves the workload elsewhere. It's all about resilience and flexibility. Why is this a big deal? Well, in today's world, apps need to be fast, reliable, and scalable. Companies like Netflix, Spotify, and even NASA use Kubernetes to keep their services humming. It's not just for tech giants, though. Startups and small businesses use it too, thanks to its open-source nature and massive community support. Getting started with Kubernetes might sound intimidating, but it's more accessible than ever. Tools like Minikube let you run it locally to experiment, and cloud providers like Google Cloud, AWS, and Azure offer managed Kubernetes services. You don't need a PhD in computer science, just curiosity and a willingness to learn. Here's a quick peek. You interact with Kubernetes using a command line tool called kubectl. Type something like kubectl get pods, and boom, you'll see all your running pods. It's like talking to your cluster. Over time, you'll master commands to deploy apps, scale them, and more. So, that's Kubernetes in a nutshell. It's a game changer for managing modern applications, taking the chaos of containers and turning it into harmony. Whether you're a developer, a sysadmin, or just a tech enthusiast, Kubernetes is worth exploring. And that's all for now. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.